Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best battery cable end is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in your vehicle's electrical system, directly impacting everything from starting power to the reliability of your accessories. A corroded, loose, or undersized cable end can lead to a host of frustrating problems, including slow engine crank, dimming lights, and even complete power loss, making the selection and maintenance of this small part incredibly significant for overall vehicle performance and safety. Ensuring you have a high-quality, properly fitted battery cable end is crucial for maintaining a robust and dependable electrical connection, preventing potential breakdowns and ensuring your car runs smoothly on every journey. Number 5. TKDMR 10AWG Battery Lugs with Heat Shrink Tubing. Introducing our heavy-duty battery lugs, designed for maximum conductivity and durability. They are made from 100% annealed copper with a special surface treatment for corrosion protection. Each pack includes 10 pieces of 4:1 dual-wall adhesive heat shrink tubing. This tubing is UL and CSA certified, offering superior protection and durability compared to standard options. These connectors feature a closed-end design to keep your electrical components safe from moisture. The flared opening ensures easy wire insertion, making installation a breeze. Perfect for a wide range of applications, including solar panels, marine use, home projects, vehicles, and DIY electrical wiring. They are suitable for both crimping and soldering. You'll receive 10 pieces of 10-gauge, AWG, 3/8 ring terminals, along with 5 black and 5 red heat shrink tubing pieces. Ensure you check the dimensions for a perfect fit. What we like. This pack offers excellent conductivity and corrosion resistance with its 100% annealed copper construction. It also comes with high-quality, dual-wall adhesive heat shrink tubing for a complete solution. If you're looking for a reliable and comprehensive kit for various applications like solar, marine, or DIY electrical work, this is a great choice. What people say. The battery cable ends are well made and fit perfectly. These cable ends provide a secure and reliable connection for my battery. Easy to install and they hold the cables firmly in place. Number 4. SUNMORN Heavy-Duty Car Battery Terminal Connectors. Experience a seamless and reliable connection with our battery terminal connectors. Engineered for precision, they ensure excellent electrical contact, minimizing resistance and maximizing current flow for uninterrupted power. Constructed to withstand daily use in harsh environments, these connectors resist corrosion and wear. Their robust design ensures they endure extreme conditions, making them a dependable choice for long-term use. Installing our battery terminals is a breeze. With a user-friendly design and a simple clamping mechanism, you can achieve a quick and secure attachment without needing to be an expert. These connectors offer versatile compatibility with a wide range of battery types and sizes. They fit snugly and function properly, providing the flexibility you need for various projects. Your safety is our top priority. These connectors are designed with built-in safety features to protect against electrical hazards, including insulation to prevent accidental contact and reduce the risk of shock. Achieve superior connectivity with our precision-engineered battery terminals. They guarantee a stable link, keeping your devices powered up without any interruptions. What we like. Engineered for seamless and reliable connections, these terminals offer excellent electrical contact and are built to withstand harsh environments. Their robust design resists corrosion and wear, ensuring longevity. If you need a dependable and user-friendly solution for your car, boat, or RV battery system that's easy to install and built to last, consider these. What people say. The cable ends are well made and fit perfectly onto the battery terminals. These cable ends provide a secure and reliable connection for my car's electrical system. The terminals are easy to install and hold the cables firmly in place. Number 3. InstallGear Battery Terminals with Shims Pack. Introducing the InstallGear Battery Terminals with Shims Pack, designed for a strong and secure connection. Experience excellent power transfer with its durable nickel and gold finish that resists corrosion. These connectors offer versatile inputs, with 204-gauge and 2810-gauge options. This provides flexibility for various automotive and marine wiring setups. The pack includes both positive and negative terminals with spacer shims. This ensures a secure and stable fit, keeping your cables firmly in place. Installation is fast and efficient thanks to the included screws. They are designed to create a strong and reliable connection, perfect for any user. Built to handle large gauge cables, it ensures efficient power delivery. This makes it ideal for high-performance applications, including car audio systems. What we like. Featuring a durable nickel and gold finish for excellent power transfer and corrosion resistance, these terminals offer great flexibility with multiple input gauges. They also come with shims for a secure and stable fit. If you're working on a high-performance application like a car audio system or need versatile wiring options for automotive and marine use, these are a solid pick. What people say. The cable ends are well made and fit perfectly. Easy to install and provide a secure connection. Number 2. 150 PCS Copper Battery Cable Ends Assortment Kit. Experience superior conductivity and durability with our heavy-duty battery cable ends. Crafted from high-quality copper, they resist heat and corrosion, ensuring a reliable connection every time. The surface is treated to prevent oxidation, and the standard opening makes wire insertion a breeze. An inspection window guarantees complete cable insertion, and each lug is clearly marked for quick identification. These can be easily and safely crimped or soldered to your cables. Simplify your wiring projects with our easy-to-use battery lugs and heat-shrink tubing. Designed for power draw or grounding, they ensure safe and professional-looking connections. The flame-retardant, insulated heat shrink is pre-cut for efficiency. Simply crimp or solder your cable, insert the heat shrink, and apply heat for a quick, secure wrap. Color-coded tubing helps you easily distinguish positive and negative cables. This extensive kit provides all the copper wire connectors you need for various electrical applications. It includes 70 AWG 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10 gauge copper wire lugs, along with 80 pieces of heat shrink tubing in 3 sizes. Our ring terminal set ensures a tight and secure connection to your cable. Remember to match the copper wire diameter to the connector size for optimal crimping. These battery cable ends are essential for connecting wires to electrical equipment, stabilizing installations, and preventing short circuits. They are perfect for emergency cable repairs and recommended for professional equipment like distribution boxes, batteries, and cables. You can also use them for audio systems, motorcycles, automotive, marine applications, home appliances, toys, and solar projects. Keep your workspace tidy and your components easily accessible with our portable and well-organized battery cable lug set. All the pieces are neatly separated and protected in a convenient storage box, preventing any mix-ups. For the best results, ensure you select the correct wire lug size and use a quality crimping tool or soldering gun. What we like. Made from high-conductive purple copper, these heavy-duty cable ends ensure reliable connections and are resistant to heat and corrosion. The inspection window allows for easy verification of wire insertion. If you need a comprehensive kit with a wide assortment of terminals and heat shrink for electrical work, emergent repairs, or professional equipment like distribution boxes and batteries, this organized set is ideal. What people say. The battery cable ends are well made and fit perfectly. Easy to install and seem very durable. Number 1. Vgate 12-way battery terminal clamps. These battery terminal connectors are designed to fit a wide range of wire gauges, from 8 AWG up to 40 AWG. They are compatible with various battery voltages, including 12V, 24V, 36V, and 48V. Crafted from high-quality 6061 aluminum, these connectors offer excellent precision, durability, and resistance to corrosion. This ensures a long-lasting and reliable connection for your battery. Ideal for a broad spectrum of vehicles and power systems. Use them in cars, RVs, trucks, motorcycles, solar power banks, and many other applications. Designed to work with SAE, GAN, and EN tapered battery posts. Please note that JIS pencil posts are not compatible without an adapter. For a secure fit, loosen the clamp fully before installation. The integrated groove at the bottom prevents acid contact, so no corrosion pad is needed on the post. If you are using lithium batteries, an additional stud-to-post adapter may be required. Alternatively, consider our terminal models with specific stud sizes for seamless integration. What we like. These connectors offer an impressive 12-way connection capability and are precision machined from high-toughness 6061 aluminum for excellent corrosion resistance. They fit a wide range of wire gauges, from 8 AWG up to 40 XL AWG. If you're looking for a highly versatile and robust terminal solution for multiple batteries or complex power systems in vehicles, RVs, or solar setups, these are a top-tier option. What people say. The battery cable ends are well made and durable. They provide a secure and reliable connection for my car battery. Easy to install and fit perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.